Venari Minerals' Matt Healy is back in the studio with the latest results, assays from drilling at the Red Mountain Lithium Project in Nevada, USA. And I understand we have the highest grade lithium intersect to date at Red Mountain. Matt, tell us about it.
Yeah, hi Danielle, good to be talking to you. Yes, that's correct. We have the highest grade intersection at the project to date. So a fantastic outcome. We got 77.7 meters at 2,440 ppm lithium. And within that, there's a very high grade zone of 24.4 meters at over 4,000 parts per million lithium. And it's just outstanding. So yeah, fantastic result.
Can you tell us a bit about how this geological model is coming together? I know you haven't got all the holes back yet, but you have got the majority in now.
Yeah, look, that's right. The American labs have been absolutely flooded, and I mean, it's great for the industry. Things are taking off over there, but the other side of that coin is that we have to wait a bit longer for our assays, and now we probably won't get those results till the new year. But yeah, to your question, the northern part of the Red Mountain project is a bit of a standout. So the central part that we've been drilling out is probably, I would say, moderate grade and larger in a tonnage perspective, whereas the north is smaller in a tonnage perspective, but much higher grade. It's a real step change up. We drilled a high grade intersection in our diamond drilling campaign that we did in April this year. And this latest intersection was down dip of that. And so what that means for the geological model is it's firmed up. It shows that we're not like that first high grade intersection was RMDD3. It wasn't just a one-off, right? So we have really firmed up that there's a very high grade core to the northern part of the project. And that's, we've intersected this mineralization down to about 150 meters below surface. It remains open. And it's fantastic because a high grade part of this project is, and I'm looking ahead here, we haven't put our resource out yet, but once we get the resource out, we want to do some infill drilling and we want to do a scoping study that will give us some financials. And what this high grade zone should do is provide some fantastic financials for the front end of this project when we get to that stage.
And Matt, I understand that metallurgical test work is also ticking along in the background.
Yeah, that's right. We have test work to look at what product we can produce from the Red Mountain project. And so that what we're aiming for is a battery grade lithium carbonate product. That test work is underway. It's been underway for a little while. Again, I don't think we'll get it out before Christmas, but it's going to be a new year set of results. And what we look to do there is you produce a technical grade lithium carbonate, which is 99% lithium carbonate. And then you look to upgrade that to a battery grade, which is the 99.5%. And that's a value-added product. At the moment, it's selling for about $13,000 a ton on the Shanghai Metals Exchange. So it's that's a really key part of these lithium clay projects is you can produce a value-added product directly at the mine. So there's no third-party processing. There's no profit margin and conversion cost from another party that goes along with it. You're producing a value-added product at the mine.
And finally, Matt, looking forward, we've got a few more holes of assays to come in, that metallurgical test work proceeding, and a maiden resource estimate coming soon. Can you give us an idea on timelines with these things?
Yes. So we can't do the resource until we get those last 3 lots of results in. So we'll get them in the new year and aiming to get a maiden mineral resource estimate out by the end of January or the start of February. So we're actually going to have quite a bit of news right from the outset next year, and plenty of things to look forward to for shareholders and investors.
Well, Matt, I hope that you and the team get a well-deserved break over the holiday season, and I look forward to speaking to you very soon as the rest of those results come through.
Thanks, Daniel.